Hi all, this is Tina from Crochet Your Way Today. I've got the Granny Candy Corn Shawl made with granny stitches in rows. I will link below the materials used and the hook size. I hope you enjoy it, and it is a very quick make. Okay, so you start with a slip knot. And you do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Actually, it's 4 chains, I'm sorry. Because that one has to be the fold over, the 4th chain. Then you go back into the first chain that you made and make a double crochet into it. And do 1 more double crochet into that first chain. Now you have your bottom corner of the shawl. Turn your work, slide your hook underneath of that first stitch in the row and do a single crochet, and then go back into the leg, and you've just made 2 stacked single crochets. Now do 2 more double crochets into the same space, the same stitch. Go directly to the end of the row and do 3 double crochets. Don't make any kind of intervening stitch. Just go from one cluster to the next. 3 double crochets in the last stitch of that row. Turn your work, level up with 2 stacked single crochets, and I will link the how-to that goes into a little bit more detail on how to do these stacked single crochets. Now do 2 double crochets, go between the 2 clusters on the previous row, just go right under into that big hole and make 3 double crochets. Now go to the end and do 3 double crochets, all in the same final stitch of that row. Okay, so now you've done 1, 2, 3 rows of your shawl. Level up with your stacked single crochet. Do 2 more double crochets. Now if you don't want to do the stacked single crochet, you can do a chain 4 into the next space. Do 3 double crochets. And into the last one, the last space, 3 double crochets. Now you're going to continue to do this until you're ready to change your color. Okay, so I'm on my last double crochet of my 15th row. I'm going to pull it through halfway and then take my next color and pull that through. And make sure you pull that tight. And finish it. So you've just finished your double crochet, that last pull through. Now you want to do your stacked single crochet, one on top of the other, and you can pull these and then you do a double crochet in the same place. And continue making your rows across. So I'm at the end of the orange. I have two loops left on my hook. I'm going to switch to my yellow. Okay, so I've got my last two strands on my hook. I'm going to do a slip knot. Hold these two ends with this, have it set and ready to go on my other fingers. Pull it tight. And there. So now turn your work. Stacked single crochet. You want to do one on top of the other, and then do a double crochet, and then another double crochet, and you've got your first cluster in the yellow.
I did 20 more rows in yellow to finish the shawl.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to wear mine giving out candy this Halloween. I hope you have a great day and crochet your way today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.